This is the Jupiter floor plan by Maronda Homes here at the VUE in Satellite Beach. This is going to be the largest home in the Renaissance collection. We're going to go inside and tour this beautiful home. I'm going to give you more details on cost of ownership, pricing, and even some changes in build times if you're interested in new construction. Let's go. The VUE is a brand new community here in Satellite Beach that's being built out by Maronda Homes. Now, this is a gated neighborhood. It does have a community pool, and it is literally right across the street from Hightower Beach. You're gonna be between 5 to 10 minutes to all your major retail and dining here beachside that you could want. And a lot of you have asked about golf carts in Satellite Beach. Yes, you can have golf carts in Satellite Beach. They need to be street legal and they need to be registered. You can drive them across A1A to the beach, but you can't drive them down A1A. Now make sure you guys stick around till the end of the video because I am going to talk about cost of ownership here at the VUE. We're going to talk about pricing on this Jupiter model that I'm going to be showing you today. We're also going to be talking about pricing and the process of Jupiters in general or building with Maronda. And I also have an update for you on build times. If you're considering new construction, I have been proven wrong by Maronda Homes. They have proven me wrong on my previous opinion on what build times were like. So make sure you guys stick around for that. And of course, if you're thinking about buying here in Satellite Beach or anywhere else on the Space Coast, definitely reach out. We would love to work with you. You could call, text, or email. I've got our contact information in the description. Now, the Jupiter that we're gonna be looking at today is a slightly different variation. The Jupiter itself comes in a 5 to 6 bedroom configuration. It comes in at 4.5 bathrooms and 3714 square feet. So as we work our way through, I'll explain a little bit more about that. One of the things that you'll notice while we're outside is all the homes here at the VUE have a nice coastal elevation. They've got coastal colors. You've got paver driveways everywhere. All the windows and sliding glass doors are impact rated. You've got metal roofs, and the homes are actually pre-wired for a whole home generator system. Let's head inside and take a look. So the Jupiter model that we're going to be touring today is actually the 5-bedroom variation. I know this said this home comes as a 6-bedroom. This is going to be a 5-bedroom variation. It is going to have the 4.5 bathrooms, and it's still going to come in at 3714 square feet. So as we work our way through, I'll give you some more context as to where some of those structural changes are and how they change the standard floor plan to the one that we're going to be seeing today. Now in the front, as soon as you walk in the front door, this is going to be what's typically known as the flex room. Now this one has been upgraded to add the French doors with the glass inserts, making it like a study or an office space. But I'll give you the dimensions on this room. These are going to come in at 11.3 by 14. So this is a nice size room. You also notice the ceilings in here are pretty tall. The 2-story homes here at the VUE are going to come standard with a 9'6" ceiling on the first floor, and then upstairs we're going to have a standard 9-foot ceiling. The entire home also features the 8-foot doors that you see here. You'll notice this one as well has been kind of trimmed out with a flat stock style trim and baseboards. This one has crown molding throughout, and then they've also got lots of recessed lighting and sound in this front room. So as you kind of work your way through, you'll notice that the Jupiter is going to be the largest floor plan in this collection here at the VUE. So if you want a really large home, this is probably going to be the best fit for you. All the bedrooms, with the exception of the primary master, are going to be upstairs. The reason I said primary master is because this particular home does have 2 master bedroom suites. That primary one is going to be downstairs. You've also got your half bathroom downstairs right off of the front door, basic half bath, toilet and pedestal sink. Through the front entryway, that's going to bring you into the main living space. Nice big open living space, nice big kitchen. Master suite will be in the back. Primary laundry room will be over here. The reason I said primary again is because this home does have 2 laundry rooms, and then a really big trussed-in lanai out back. So we're going to come back to this in just a minute. We're going to stay downstairs and kind of start off in the front. In the mudroom, this is going to be what takes us into the garage. The reason I call it a mudroom is because you do have a little bit of space here. Maronda has added a little drop station with some USB outlets. And because this particular home was built with the intention of being a model, they did add a little bench here with some shiplap on the wall. And then obviously right here is how we access the garage. Now the garage is going to be a standard 2-car garage. You'll notice that this one does have a bunch of stuff in it because, as I mentioned, Maronda has built this with the intent of being a model home. So right now they got some extra furniture and some paint cans. But if you look beyond that, you'll notice that this one does have 2 hot water heaters. Because of the size of the home and it's a 2-story, it needs 2 hot water heaters. You also have your breaker panel here in the garage. This pump over here is the well pump for the irrigation system. The home itself is on city water and sewer, but the irrigation system is on a well. So that well pump and the timer system is in here. Now, obviously this does come with a garage door. You've kind of heard me talk before in some of our other videos about what is standard on certain new builds compared to others. So I'll give you some more context too as we continue to work our way through the home. So now we're gonna head upstairs and we're gonna check out bedrooms 2 through 6, or in the case of this home, bedrooms 2 through 5. Now this is where you're gonna find all that extra living in bedroom space. Of course, as soon as you come up here, you've got a really big loft area. I'm gonna bring you back here in a minute. We'll talk about some of those dimensions. But I wanna start off in this side of the home. This is actually gonna be the front of the home. So if you're thinking about the way this home's laid out, the way we're going right now, this is going to be the front. Now this configuration right here is a little bit different, so I'm gonna explain that to you as we kind of work our way through this room. Now this will be bedroom 2. This is gonna be the true second bedroom per the floor plan. Let me pull up my map here, or my floor plan, so I can give you the dimensions. Bedroom 2 is gonna come in at 12 by 12.2. It does have a standard closet. Now you'll notice that these do have the out-swinging closet doors. Just something to keep in mind. I think it's a great feature in terms of the look and the aesthetic of the home. Sometimes it does kind of limit how you can lay out your room because of that door swing. You need to account for that. Now here's one of the biggest changes I've noticed on this particular model compared to the floor plan. On the floor plan, they actually have a door right here, which takes you into the bathroom. The way this model was configured, they put the door out here in the hallway. So that's an option as well. I kind of liked it in the bedroom, but that's my opinion. You guys let me know what you think down in the comments about what your preference would be. Now this bathroom right here, this is gonna be a standard style bathroom, single sink vanity, toilet, and a tub shower combo. As you continue to work your way through, this is a part of the home that I think is pretty cool. Now this is gonna be bedroom 3, and it's going to have a Jack and Jill bathroom to bedroom 4. So the dimensions on bedroom 3, this is gonna come in at 10.9 by 13.3. You'll notice here the ceilings are high as well, so these are gonna be those 9-foot ceilings that I mentioned. Bedroom 3 does have a little walk-in closet here with an in-swinging door. And then as you work your way through this 3rd bedroom, you're gonna have a single sink with a vanity here. There's also gonna be a doorway, and this doorway is what's gonna bring us into the separate space with the toilet and the tub shower combo. As we kind of continue through, there's another door. This is gonna take you to the other part of this bathroom. This is gonna have a little bit of a larger vanity, and then this will bring us into that 4th bedroom that we mentioned. So this 4th bedroom, pull up my plan again, this is a little bit bigger than bedroom 3 we were just in. This comes in at 11.8 by 12. Same thing, same high ceilings, single window. This also has the single walk-in closet. And then as you kind of work your way out of bedroom 4, you've got a closet here. Now this is just gonna be the air handler system for the entire house. Because it is a larger house, it does have 2 air conditioning units. So there are 2 air handlers, both of those are in here. And then you'll notice we end right back up where we started in the loft area. So just to recap real quick, because it is a big home and I know it gets confusing. You got bedroom 2 and a bathroom, then you've got bedroom 3 and 4 with the Jack and Jill. Everything connects right here centrally into this loft area. Since we're in the loft, let me get some dimensions. Now this is gonna come in at 16.10, so it's almost a 17 by 21.5. So this is a really big room. The tray ceilings that you see here are standard. The recessed lighting, this one's been upgraded and it's got the sound system. Now this is a closet because the air handlers are around the corner. So this is a usable closet, linen closet, or just extra stuff closet. And this back here is going to be where you'll notice one of those variations that I mentioned earlier. Because this is the 5th bedroom, they've essentially taken bedroom 5 and 6 that you can see on the floor plan and converted this to a really big secondary master suite. So I'll explain a little bit more about that at the end of the video in terms of how that affects price. But before we hit that second master, this is where that second laundry room is gonna be. We talked when we were downstairs about a primary. Well, this is gonna be the secondary. They've got a sink, and then of course this one's built out with the cabinets and countertops. So now as you kind of work your way through there, we're gonna end up in bedroom 5. This is gonna be that secondary master. So the way that this one is configured, this bedroom's gonna come in at about 13.5 by 15.5. It is gonna have the tray ceiling, lots of windows in here, lots of natural lighting. And normally this would be a bedroom with like a Jack and Jill to bedroom 6. So since bedroom 6 was deleted, it adds a really, really big bathroom and a walk-in closet. So you've got dual vanities here, the freestanding tub, you've got a linen closet, a walk-in shower, your water closet with the toilet, and then in the back there's a really big walk-in closet. So I'll put a link up with the floor plan if you guys want to see the actual floor plan to see the difference between this secondary master variation and the standard floor plan. What we'll do now is we'll head back downstairs. I'll kind of give you that walkthrough. We're gonna go check out the primary master suite, and then we're still gonna talk about cost of ownership here at the VUE and pricing here for this particular floor plan and what you can expect. Now, before we get to the master in the back, we'll kind of work our way through the kitchen here so I can show you what's on this side of the house. Now, the kitchen, we're gonna come back to it. I'll give you more details on what's included in this one. But off of the kitchen right here, you're gonna have a nice big walk-in pantry. And then this is gonna be the primary laundry room. Like I mentioned, the other one, we saw the secondary laundry room upstairs. This is gonna be the primary. This one's also got the sink and cabinetry. And this is also where the low voltage panel for the house is gonna be. So all your Cat 6 and coax cable is gonna be bundled up in here. This is also where your modem and your router are gonna be for that internet service. All right, in the kitchen here, this is gonna be the gourmet kitchen. So of course you'll notice it's got the double wall mounted ovens. This is a really big island. And I'll give you some more explanation here in a minute on exactly what's included in the kitchen and what's standard here at the VUE. Off the kitchen, you'll notice this is the dining area. I'll give you the dimensions on that as well when we come back. This wing of the house here in the back, this is that primary master suite. So regardless of what variation you get or options, this is gonna be the standard master bedroom here in the Jupiter at the VUE. Same tray ceilings, 2 nice big windows in the back. There's also a door that takes you out to the covered lanai. And let me pull up my floor plan here so I can give you dimensions. This bedroom comes in at 13.3 by 15.4. Again, lots of recessed lighting. This one's pre-wired for sound as well. And you've got a really big master bathroom right off of the main bedroom suite. So dual sink vanity, separate water closet with the toilet here, nice big walk-in shower with the 0 entry. This one's got the freestanding tub, which is an upgrade, and a nice big master closet here. So what we'll do now is we're gonna head outside. I'll show you the lanai area. It's a really, really big lanai. Then we're gonna come back in and we'll finish talking about the kitchen, cost of ownership here at the VUE, pricings, incentives, and everything else that you need to know. Now the outdoor space on this Jupiter is absolutely massive. This lanai area comes in at 25 by 16.4. It kind of wraps around the corner right here. So you've got the door to that master that we talked about earlier. Now this is screened in. The screen is an upgrade, but if you just want standard base, the screen would be the only thing that wouldn't be included. Otherwise, this is the same lanai that you're gonna see. I love how they did the triple slider here to take you into the living area. Really makes the outdoor and indoor space connect well. We're gonna head back in, take a look at the kitchen now, and finish talking about pricing and cost of ownership. Now the great room here right off of the kitchen is gonna come in at 14.8 by 19.4. The kitchen's got a massive, massive front island. You could easily fit 4 people there. The way this is kind of configured, I think 4 people is a very comfortable estimate for this island. As far as standard goes here at the VUE, this is gonna be the gourmet level kitchen. This is what is standard. Maronda finished this particular home at essentially what you could expect if you're gonna be buying a home from them without adding any additional upgrades. You're gonna have the 9'4" ceilings in the main living space and the 9-foot ceilings upstairs in the second bedrooms, 8-foot doors throughout. Now, a lot of these are an upgrade in other communities, but it's a standard feature here, so it doesn't necessarily impact the base price of the home, but of course, all those things do factor into the price of the home. So let's kind of talk about that and see what some of the cost of ownership points are here at the VUE. As far as the association goes, that's gonna come in at $1,056 per year. Insurance on a home like this is going to probably run you between $2,300 to $3,000 per year, depending on your coverage limits. If you want a good way to estimate your property taxes, that's going to come in at 1.2% of the purchase price. Now that doesn't include any exemptions that you qualify for. If you're wondering about build times, if new construction is what you're looking for, Maronda has been quoting consistently 6 to 8 months on new construction. I didn't believe it, but they've actually been able to deliver on that promise here in the VUE. They do a couple things that give them more control over that process and timeline, one of which being they own their own truss manufacturer. So from the time that you sign a contract and your property goes into design, it's going to take about actually 4 months to get the actual home itself built from the time that they start construction. The design process is only going to take about 1 day for you to pick your selections. From there, that's going to go to the architect and permitting, and they're going to do a survey that might take 3 to 4 weeks. Now, the city of Satellite Beach, where this home is located, has been extremely fast on turning around permits. That's one of the things that's really sped up the delivery time in here. They're turning around permits in 2 to 3 days. So 6 to 8 months build time in this community is very reasonable. Now, as far as pricing on the Jupiter model goes, I'll give you a quick recap. The Jupiter normally comes in at a 6-bedroom, 4.5 bathroom, 3714 square feet. This one has that second master upgrade, which changes it from a 6 to a 5-bedroom. The base price on this home is $1,071,900. It's going to come with about a $42,000 lot premium, and some of the upgrades that are featured in this home include things like the double master bathroom. There's a wine cooler in the kitchen and the freestanding tubs in both bathrooms. So the way that this home is finished, it's going to come in at $1,160,000. Now, Maronda does have some incentives if you're looking at new construction, including leasebacks on models like this, where Maronda will lease it back at 75% of the purchase price. If you guys want more information about that, definitely reach out. You can call, text, or email. And if the Jupiter isn't the right floor plan for you, Maronda's got a lot of other floor plans that we're gonna go explore right now. If you wanna see those, you can join us right here. I'll see you guys there.